my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another ogbogelicious matter come again. As we all can see, say we wan watch UMENWA TV, aka Baba wey dey smile, aka Frank Umenwan. No be small, e don set. E don happen again. E don set this one lad, my people. As Umenwa take give am woto to Becky, no be small thing, no, my people. Make we gather together, make we laugh away our sorrow, my amazing people. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you.
If family don't know am, papa know and mama know, na person wey dem know, na person wey two of them don first date for so long. Say the boy do okay, the boy get document, the boy get life contracts for Italy here. He paints the boy good to everybody, including your own godfather, ENOGIE. Oh God, let me call some lies out of my baby. Because all this your lie, they make my baby they crow. Okay, so the other time, please share this video, guys, as you're watching this video. Share this video because it doesn't come here. The true life story of Becky and Usayede, aka Mami Wata she dey yansh. Muna call your story. Oh, voila. I say I don't go saga Becky and I still stand. I don't go saga Ram again. Don't leave him. But if I see waiting bad or the lie where don't feel life for ground, if the truth they prevail, I go bring and come this social media. I go come the talker. That's why I can never be friend to any of them. Because this don't make people become their friends. You know, go feel the tell them their error. Where they for the fuck up. Now, Becky, see this boy for social media, for Facebook. Just the way I know Becky for Facebook. The person where Becky fed the dates for Nigeria, I go bring the picture come out at when time reach. I don't get that one picture. I go bring that one picture come out, make una still see the boy with Becky fed the dates for Nigeria. Now let's go to the history of Usayede Becky supposed introduction. He could not be husband. Should I call it fiancé? If fiancé, introduction not be marriage. This boy Usayede get one girl for Nigeria, 10 years old Peking for Nigeria. This boy was dating a girl from Nigeria, right from Nigeria. Now this girl don't do. Becky snatched this boy from that girl. 10 years relationship. My people wanna sit down. When I go over to see Becky, they always say S. One little S. They were still dating before Becky came in. When I come sit down, that girl so when they call S so move, leave this boyfriend for Nigeria, may go look for better life. Now girl, come abroad. As he enter abroad, he can't take camp. The girl dey camp for so long, they can't give the girl 5 years document for camp. My people wanna share this video. We could hear story within this sub for presenter. They give this girl 5 years documents. Audio deal, and we should now beings. Don't play. We don't talk waiting on gets back up. This girl, they give this girl document 2021. 3 years ago. And they grant this year, this girl 5 years document for camp. My people, this boy, Usayede, come enter Libya road. Unknowingly to the girl, his girlfriend. With the that Rita Anita. With the Italy. When they give 5 years old. As Anita, as the girl, the Usayede reach Libya, he called his girlfriend, say, in the Libya. Now the girl asked, and say, why you go Libya? You for a science special, may if do okay, but he never get document. Giddy. They can't give this guy documents. They can't give the girl documents. Now so they get to carry this boy come from Libya, come Italy. This boy come confirm Italy 2022. Last 2 years. This boy enter Italy 2022. The person wey Becky say get life contracts. The person wey Becky say they got a date for Nigeria, they come. My people, mona sit down, make una dey download this live. Mona share this video, mona tag ENOGIE. Oh, I made mistake, I for tag ENOGIE. No, I need to tag am. Mona help me tag ENOGIE is priceless, make it sit down. Make una help me tag ENOGIE is priceless, my triple N. Mona tag them, make them sit down. You know say, wait till I know so they don't go do now. Una go dey do person because una be live video presenter. Because una believe say if they come out come talk, una come saga them. Una sit down. Becky, una sit down, una call Becky, make it sit down, make it they watch this video. Una share this video, go give Becky. This boy enter Italy 2022. His girlfriend when they date come from Nigeria. This boy not see tell the girl say he don't born for Nigeria. Until this girl, that in girlfriend so come see this girl, this boy baby for Facebook. Now he come the question his boyfriend. Boyfriend come say yes, he don't come they beg the girl. 10 years old girl. The girl forgive her, that one day one side. 2022, Osayende come enter Italy. Osayende come dey camp. As Osayende dey camp, Osayende come dey mingle with all those boys for camp. Osayende dey Libya when his mama kpai. When mama Osayende kpai, when I share the video, when I come hear story. This na super story. Osayende dey Libya, his mama come kpai. Before Osayende coffee manage cross enter Italo. Buongiorno. Come stai, you know we Benin. Osayende come Benin for Italy. They come Benin Osayende for camp, which is normally all of us will pass Libya enter abroad. All of us they camp. Many of us base come for camp. Last. We can't go rent house. Also continue. Due to Osayende not stay for camp, as they give Osayende 6 months sojourn. Permission to sojourn when they give Osayende for camp. That 6 months sojourn when they give him, when they take the waka. So they feel they use on the work for Italy here. As they give Osayende 6 months sojourn, now Osayende piante come for camp. 2023. He enter camp 2022. 2022. Osayende come move. Come for camp for 2023 last year. He can't go rent house. This time around, this girl, so when two of the friends they date now for 10 years, they always advise this guy, say, stay for camp. Now camp for get document. Osayende say, this girl get document. So they try every minute they force this girl for this girl to give her documents. He won't come for the camp. Make this girl for give her documents. Now, Osayende now the girl now come the battle on how they go take get documents. How Osayende go take get documents. Now the only way the girl go fit take Osayende documents. Now make them marry, live together, born. My people, now they listen. Now so the girl come they start they process everything they go common on how he wants to marry Osayende for common, so that he go fit give Osayende document. The girl now come let Osayende know say he don't go ask question. Italy don't change law. Even if he marry you without picking no come and now they live together, when a resident not in the same place, he not go fit give you documents. Now people more than they sit down, more than they see matao. What is some for our women they pass through for our brother? Now so this girl and Osayende can't do. Before we know what they happen now, this same girl so can't get belay for Osayende. As he get belay for Osayende, He can't tell Osayande say, he get belle. Osayande called they beg this girl now. Make this girl abort belle. He can't perorate this girl, perorate this girl. Make this girl abort belle. Say he never ready. Unknowingly to this girl, Osayande to the date Becky. He don't see Becky for Facebook for a ENOGIE platform. Hello, is somebody sharing this video? I do my drink. Osayande can watch the video where we they do, the way we come to the saga Becky. As he can't watch Becky video for a ENOGIE platform, he can't follow a Becky. So they can't follow Becky. He can't go and listen to Becky where Becky talk say, they tell you go carry me come France. You go give me residence. You go take me go a La Meria, been a La Meria, carry me go La Meria. You go tell La Meria. May they give me documents. They go with me documents. I go just stay in house. So Osayande was not thinking. So that's not this thing you're easy. So this girl you get level like this. Now these boys choose and play ball throw away. He go runs this girl. Now there Osayande start to the chat this girl. No go. Sister we don't use eye to see fire, but he enter. Now so Becky started to use man to shop this girl. Becky called the shop the girl Aduru. He knocked the girl Aduru. That's what called Aduru. Becky knocked Aduru boy. Another Aduru. Osayande never do anything for Nigeria. Osayande na either will really enter abroad. Osayande never complete 2 years we reach abroad. Where Becky can go jam. This girl, unknowingly to this girl, Osayande don't dey friend Becky. Osayande don't dey pick this girl call again. Osayande don't dey do this one again. Osayande call dey shift for the girl. After us, he don't already see Becky. Say Becky go fit give her document too. Oh, I dey feel sweat for this my car. Oh God, I think I should own my farm. Oh God. Osayande come abandon his girlfriend, follow Becky. That same Osayande girlfriend don't go Questora, Comune for Italy here, go collect paper where they want sign for their contract marriage, their commune marriage with the want do. Many for people give Osayande document to Osayande friend, all those are bet where they go work where they dey for train station or asking for them. All those frustrated men where they for asking we don't get go, they don't get come. Where you see them for train station. Now they for the drink can be of 10 cents. Now Osayande call they follow the mobile. As you just see Osayande so, it be like picky we baby square. Not be photo. Now so you be. Or you know money at Muria. Or you do when winning. You understand? As Becky also said, this one, he go fit manipulate this one. Now Becky put heads. Now that the manipulations continue. My people share this video. We could listen. Before we know what they happen. Becky not the person to Osayande. My people, now Becky do introduction. Not be Osayande. Wahala. They don't rip you, they don't rip me. They don't rip me. They don't rip Osayande. This na super story. Story don't Sarah for Benisaba space social media. You don't go know the one where you want to enter. Now so they go hear this one go do marriage. Now so this one go kidnap person. Now so this one write about for person picking. Now so this one blackmail your husband. Now so this one blackmail your wife. Benin cyberspace, confusion upon confusion. Everybody not confused for this Benin cyberspace. Everybody don't even know where they go. We don't know where for the come. Everybody is confused. Everybody is www.u.com.confused. Everybody is confused. Now, Becky, the money where they pay Becky for France, Becky can't they find money for social media for introduction. Osayande family not support Osayande to marry Becky. The woman where they know where follow Osayande suffer. Where see the sense no small thing because they give him mama when mama is sick for Libya. Once Osayande de Libya. Osayande live. He follow manipulator Becky. I know say the squad of a Becky, they not go talk true to that is the truth. But me, as a neutral person, I go cure the truth the way it be. Now, when the girl comes on social media, the girl be not know. Say, Osayande they date Becky. Let's go off this farm. The girl be not know. Say, Osayande already get woman where want go marry. This me, Baba, with the smile. I don't know my dream. Baba with the smile on my wagon. Yana tall. Okay. Hello? Hello. I greet you. I greet you. Or talk by real life video. Oh, yes. Yeah. Where is speaker? What? Okay, don't worry. Yeah. So. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. The role. On his role. Has it? What's more? All right, thank you very much. Yeah. Please share this video. Make we hear matter. Make we hear matter. Our exposing is clear exposing. Clear exposing. Clear exposing. Now, I'll play audio. You can bend down it. I share everything now because I will play audio. Why are you from here? You can bend on it. Man, waste the time. Come make good time. Now, may God bless me. May God continue to bless me. The girl be not know say Osayande is planning to get married to Becky. Oh my God, Osayande I am go yeah. Becky I am go Osayande. Okay. This was a Becky lie say her daughter don't see visa to come France. That she needs ticket money. Not knowing say na introduction money she dey look for. Now wow. Brother comment. Kura Paul. You know, when I talk, they're going to say I hate Becky. Many people they think say fuck you hate Becky, fuck you hate Becky. No, I don't hate Becky. I don't hate Becky. I dislike Becky for her attitude, her lying attitude. It's so disgusting. When woman too they lie, woman will carry baby for hand, they lie like such a not do. Then what you they think say go teach that baby? You they lie, they exposed. It gets on lie when you go still lie. At least the lie go still fetch you money and you not go leak. It not be like the one way Becky just they lie, they leak the follower. According to this comment with this person right now, Becky come out categorically. The video is still on her. Say they give a daughter visa to France. This daughter way born for grandmama. We never know the father for Libya. Picky way born for Arab for Libya. He say France government don't give a visa. You yourself is a liability to France. France get any opportunity to even throw away you, they go throw away you. Now they expect them to bring another liability, can't join them. Who does that? Without you know they support them. You know they pay tax. Now they feed you, they feed the one you born here. They give you house. You see they expect them to go carry the one you don't born from that place. Can they come? Hello? Many of our people, they know how to pity children. Because a different way they think is scamming on, especially those presenters. Different way now they think is scamming on, because they know many of them are wicked points. Waiting they mostly touch our people. When it involve children, it involve mother, father. The thing they touch our Benin people. That they feel so sympathy about all those things. You understand? So they like to, they don't want to see children in distress. They don't want to see fathers, mothers say they distress at all. So people want to do everything possible because everybody picking now our picking, my picking now everybody own, your picking our own, now everybody own. One person not a born picking. So we all believe, we get that mentality, we get that belief. So that's the reason why one person use the picking contest scam now. When I quickly give up. Now they give. Person use the mother contest scam now. Because one person mother now our mother. You understand? So we so much value our mothers. That's the reason why they use the mothers this scam now. People go they give, they give. You understand? So Becky come up with that strategy, say they give the king, blah blah blah, in need money for visa. Today, visa don't expire, be waiting. Sister, your picking the visa never still come out. No, you never still feel like conference. Because you say the visa don't come out. I beg before the visa go expire. All till today, you know still give you money for tickets. Or they give you go use and take go do introduction for man where they camp. Man where be say he gets 6 months sojourn. You go use and do introduction for him. Now, Becky can't they date this boy? And next month she do lie. You see not lie, she take block that guy here. That boy. Oh, Jesus. That guy can lie, I swear. Yes. I don't still blame the followers. You know why I don't blame the followers? Some people get, that's why I say anything concerning children, mother, you feel use them as scam followers as well because they don't want to see your children they in pain or you want that they pain. But one thing about the some followers, you see, they're supposed to see a very concrete evidence. I know if you come and I say, I beg my son, you're the problem, maybe I help without no concrete evidence. And my fans not go give me one shishi. Hello. And I will say, hello, you don't like video. What all? What all? Yes. Go ahead. Oh, my way marriage well. If we were women, my brother, we women, in Nasa Covano. My brother, don't marry. Okbiari, who married you. But the webo, bros, the webo, do a man like Mebu, a webo, or all the way down. Yes, now. That's the system of Europe. If you don't know me, you know now, bro. Now, woman, so that me know. You understand? Any woman when they call your way now, me, you know you're tagging now. You understand? What all? Because for Bongo will they come, Bongo will they come. Now man. Now they marry woman, no man. Now they have our history. Now they have our culture. But for abroad, now woman they marry man. Because you know why most of all those women they get believe say they don't expire. They get that mentality say because of that work when they can't do so, men not go to value them again. Men not go take this or less them. Now then go to do the thing woman supposed to do. Now they go to do one. Man will love you, go cherish you, go value you, no matter what you do. Even though you do ashi wele, ashi me. Wait till you carry, wait till that man see for your body. No go see it. Nobody go see him. You go want buy for your matter. That's true love. Or not the one come now. Becky now come the hustle money. Let this guy make the guy not worry. The guy say not get money. Oh, Becky now when they worry, you can leave him. Yeah, live video. Have a go father again. No, you really go near. Before know it, that we go surround. We fast away as you go there. My people. Now so the Becky could start to. Before Baba would smile, I can't expose Becky. The Becky and this guy, they do this thing on code for that girlfriend not to know. I can't expose this guy. Bring this guy picture, come out. He can't cast. Wait till they want to do secretly. He can't bust. The girlfriend. Where you the friend? Where this guy the friends? Now in friends and in sisters come see Becky. This picture for social media. Say he want go do introduction with Becky. Beep. Now they forward that go get the girl fall down. The girl call the girl collapse. The girl they sick. Now the girl they wear small so. This girl was sick since all this while. The shocked this girl to the extent again now. Oh yeah, he can't play voice record. Go give Becky. Becky now can't enter this guy phone because this guy na mugu. He not get sense. He not get this boy. Not naturally. This boy na mugu. He not the you know those kind of men where woman they control, where they fear woman, where they marry. Now you be no that kind of mind. So you don't get same where Becky did. Now so Becky collect this husband for. As he collect this husband for, he can't collect the number where they say this husband for which person number. This boy girlfriend mama. Becky called insult that woman. Becky called that woman for phone. They insult this boy girlfriend for this Italy. Becky called that girl mama for Nigeria. They lay curse on her. On our enemy. You defeat me so. The Becky now so arrow you the girl. Oboma eso wa. Iredena so wa. Ona ya okpe no wa. You see the reason why Baba with this man and they select woman where they marry. I said Becky not want to be a wife. But she not go know. She go to say I hate her, not be hatred. Now her attitude, her character, the way she was brought up, the mindset that she have. Reasonable man. See this boy, you go know say this boy not dey okay mentally. Some people might be physically beautiful, but mentally drained. Because if this boy really normal, he don't go put Becky for her as a girlfriend, not say he want to do introduction. Me, I know one day collect Becky mama number or a Becky number. Say I want to call her. What's the that one? Because I don't already see as I see only the ones where come my house. I don't know. So this is a no-go area. This one na nuisance. It doesn't worth married. Now, this Becky now, no say I can't along good. The only way we go fit attract man, we go fit drag man to ourselves, na documents. Unfortunately, You can't go jam Idare with the Mugu. Idare way they ask you, we not get sense. Alexandra. See Alexandra, see ask you. See Alexandra, see ask you, see Torino. All this city now, outskirts of Torino. I spent 2 days, 3 days for Alexandra. I spent 3 days for Alexandra. When I go Alexandra, I go inside Alexandra. So I go see me for Alexandra. That was 2 years ago. 2 years ago, 2022. 2022 or that 2022 or 2023. I was in Alexandria. When I go to Alexandria, I call SC. After I don't come up for there, I call SC. I said, I come up for Alexandria. Because Alexandria, see, I call SC from Alexandria. I go, what do they call them? Principal. Geneva Principal. I go Geneva Bridgery. I go Geneva Principal. You dey feel me so? Becky, see mon ton, see ask you now in backyard, enough far. Because after you just take train, once you take train for that place now, come Alexandra, you enter train to Principal. After Principal, now Vestibula you dey go. The border between Italy and France. Now let Becky dey. After Vestibula, now Moton. It not reach 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You don't enter your house. Now, this girl now, don't perere this mugu, Sayende, say, he go give us Sayende documents. Make us Sayende not worry. Yeah, worry been last year, okay? He go give us Sayende documents. Sayende niya, oteme okobo. Achove or mass a good. Okay, now I know this guy for Nigeria and his papa house. Okay. This boy really mumu. Woman when you marry go out for your city say you want go fight. Abba. Okay. Social media money. Social media money. I am going to play audio. No play audio. No more reserve the audio. I have qua Instagram. It's really Becky. What was I there? Or Bagby. Story Becky was I there Bagby. Becky na come perere Osayade. Perere. Say me don't worry. If they just do marriage, you go just carry the certificate. You go just do this one. You carry and go France. Once you once you go just carry and go just give her. You get house, get big house. You go just give her. You go just give her document. You go just hard down. Mona go Macan very soon. So I end up go to France with Becky. So I did not get document to go France. So now Becky go sit on now. To the Becky say maybe come France. Becky go meet Senegal person. Senegal man where they fucking for house there. Can't give Becky go collect that one document. One sent for me. Let me take cross Vertimila coming down for France. I look and I shake it. Now okay, I don't hear. I'll come. You say when I say I think we had to go for now, but when I go take get chance now during April. During that April, now I take go Mama Kevin house. Last year, we had to go Kevin. The first time I go Kevin house, Kevin sing Moye Baba with the smile come for me. That April, so that time, so now I suppose now they want send me that guy document. Make I take come meet for France for Moton. Me I come put up for because woto. Now make body come kind Becky. See me no come inside. Me tell them say me the travel. Me no come inside. Me can go market with her side. Oh, not do I'm where I do my drink. Oh. When Becky see say he not fit manipulate me, He not fit manipulate iron body under how many months? Now he switch enter the mugu wey dey for Asri. Oh, but now he manipulate this one wella. Now, Becky, after my marriage, you come dey mock me. Say na inside palo for do marriage. Sister Becky, introduction where na where? Who gati? Who am we ho? Even where we go, when we dey count like that social media, they Becky go say. But my team we ho. Iyobosa. Ewo baredo. Uzonwa mi okay? When we Becky go say, a whole goddaughter of investor ENOGIE, controversial investor ENOGIE, one of Deutschland. Papa twins, Papa triple N. When man set him with her. Oh God. I will just look on her sometimes, I will laugh. Yeah, we were so Ogiwari. When I share this video, yeah, react quoi? Il veut rien manger. Il y a beau check the video. Il y a beau fait qu'à ne pas faire qui veut bon. I can do life. When I share this video. Oh, you want to make audio. Not audio. Not audio Becky. Not audio the former girlfriend of Osayede. Ne Becky snatch, oh boy. Hey, wala. Wala be like say my bola they block me here. Wala be like say my bola they block for here. Share this video. Oh yeah, wagai, go boy. I so kidding. Let's go there. Hello. Hello. Is somebody hearing me now? Let me see you share the video. When you begin to the guy, well, get it. If one of you know, I'll kill you. If one of you, if one of you, yeah, me young Fibros for my editor. The platform give an this is my second platform. This is my second platform. You understand? You may fake accounts. You understand? This is my second platform. All those one they talk, so I don't know wait for the scam. Now let's play audio. I'm gonna play small voice. Small. Unayera, idare usayende enie. Idare no 2 years plus. I was no ya like we 2022. No, here. 2 years plus. 2 years. Yes. 2 years plus. On the 3 years of Hambana. Idare, no.
Oh, mais tout bene.
D'accord. Idare, no. Already bien, we go. She was in Libya when the mother by this society he was in Libya sticker. When he was in Libya, he had a buckets. Why the hell? On a Becky way on a life contract. On a document, on a life contract. What the hell? When they hear like, I come out to come and expose Becky lie, not to come saga Becky. Remember not saga well. He will get saga well. Yes. Thank God my wife don't go work. Nice.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
You know, a cap,
Yeah.
a cap here, I
Okay.
really be out. I was so big up, you know, what the land do I have?
Okay.
All because of a document. You know, if I not the 5 years, we do a passport, if we do a passport, I need to be ready.
You a passport.
A couple for Raji, and I'm making 1 year the cap. I was slow, no growing, no green, no very cap, no other part and a cap. Another commission, what by the cap.
Other a commission.
Other the commission of by capital. I live by capital now, over by capital. I was so very disappointed. You know what? Who will be a blessing? You know, why is it? If you be a master, what am I saying? All of the real, all of them will be what they do. If you have a family, no matter if you have a where I will see you. So, I'm in the CIA now, I'm over. Because of from Alexandra Dimana, we are a country, nothing, just a 6 months or 6 months, then I
Now, you don't get documents. Now, let's 6 months they give her. Madam Yonya. Becky! Sister Becky, what up, Voila! Hey, Salubua. No, what's it called be the meaning of all the lie when you lie, Becky? Sister Bebe, what is the meaning of all this your lie? What be the meaning of this your lie? No, we lie. Where boy na bill? Una happen social media woman document on my life contract. Eh man, no mu dia we your bonnet, we happy big boy now. Neno zo ya ko boy we your might be how even be o do ta. Jimmy Becky Eliagbon J. Oh, Becky, don't regret my sister. Don't regret.
I know. I know where I walk on now. And then I learn the man here. And I learn. The part of the hammer was near family. You're near to the carry. I will make carry. I will look up. Ọbịa gbera atete nwụnya. Ọbịa jiri ịnọ. Ụtara bere n'ihe. Ọrata ịbarị nọ. 2 years plus ọdịna 2 years plus.
2 years.
Yes. 2 years plus ọdịna 3 years ọhagbana ịbarị ịnọ.
Awo, mete mo bene.
Our body was sure you want to share the video.
Already beer with the
Hey! When I call your story, when I share video, when I call your story.
A cap here, I really be out. I was so big up, you know, what the land do I have my own.
Okay.
All because of a document.
My ass the hot.
If I not the 5 years, we do a passport, if we do a passport, I need to be ready. A cap for Raji, and I'm making 1 year the cap. I was slow, no growing, no green, no very cap, no other part and a capital. I got a commission, what by the capital. About the commission of by capital. I live by capital now, over by capital now. I was so very disappointed. You know what? Who will be a blessing? You know, why is it? If you be a master, what am I saying? All of the real, all of them.
Now, the real girlfriend of this boy. This boy must, this girl must go coma. When he say, one woman, they don't plan marriage. When I hear story, this girl must go coma. When he see say, Becky snatched this boy from her. Ebon ate wu fwa. Again, ate wu ate wu. Madam Hill.
Where I will see you. To talk, not in the CIA, not woman. And I'm over.
When I hear.
Because of from Alexandra Dimana, we are a country, nothing, just a 6 months or
6 months.
to this place, they will control you. Now I'm out. Total is
6 months.
Oh,
Becky said get life contract. With 6 months.
so understand. I am a baby. You know, baby with 2021. I am a baby.
She
2021. I am a baby. 2022. I capital. I capital with 2022. That 2022 is my capital. And last time.
Yeah.
All over.
This one come from
Someone has this baby. Becky was this very worried. Baby, you are this very running.
All over. Any man problem. Before after law or strength
But I'm here now. He want to talk about the common marriage. When he and this boy want to say they want to. But I listen, when I share the video, when I call Becky, Macy, that make one hear atrocity.
we start to allow my take the Bewela Laja. One, not the Bewela, two, one, not the Bewela, not to wait. No, that's it, that's my own
Okay.
I think I want to deal marriage.
Okay.
I never knew where a boy now. I'm going to Becky here for social media. A Facebook club, and I'm a book. I want to take a Becky down here.
Oh! Oh, wetin ya gwa Becky gwala with social media. Facebook ya wa na me gbe Becky we ye ka date from Nigeria. Oh, Becky called they claim this one glory. This is the girl where date this boy from Bogo 10 years. Becky called they claim since 10 years ago. Now and this guy don't they date. They come from Nigeria. They see something. Becky don't really know this girl. Matter how this girl and this boy take day. He come media come to represent this girl. Another about big girl now on Facebook. We are able now on it for years. Now about Facebook. Everyone now they go Becky. And that's why Becky. Hey, Becky. And this we soppy. Becky like soppy. Or Becky accuse you to na wo or like soppy. Or after why there is a screen there where there's a screen with Becky. Becky and you to when I again Aliziko. God, I know what I'm saying. Laugh, I okay. No, me lie. He not even be in our body. Jesus. I was like, boy, what's it? I'll go do task. God, you do well. He on me at him, who does he? You, babe.
Facebook, they're not gay Facebook, or not more.
Yeah, through a no gay platform. Now for see Becky. For see Becky. A no gay. A platform where I am you at all. A godfather snatch up will boss you, A goddaughter will snatch up behind. Yeah.
I'm not posting on video, I'm not video, and I'm not the post is very I was so very, I do not get copy. When I just go ask every information with common marriage, where we have the new need to come on there, and I have to stand, I have my own way, and I have to stand in my passport, or have to stand in my journey.
If you don't understand what this girl talk, he said that his sister, now he send that no get video, say, not be your guy be this one, not be your husband be this one, where you no get post, say, now in-law to be this one. After Frank don't drag the come out for say how would they say? After don't drag the come out. I say I must expose you now. Now they can't send the picture, the video of Enogie. Go give this one. Now this one take public bish. Hey, don't say. The man when he say love. This one why I thought so. Now here say he don't go commune, go request on how to do their communal marriage. Commune just don't say the person wey want to stand for you, come prove hand for ground for you, must get banned. Regardez là-bas. Là-bas, regardez.
From Nigeria, but home and years, 10 years of relationship, I'm born again. 10 years of relationship, I'm all because of her. In a daily we are key. Now we are the potential to get me to control. We are who can live the very well. We are married. I didn't know.
Now what this get up? She says she gonna go buy ring for market. They wear for her. Make they pursue man for your life. Say, ain't already get man we want marry. All the way from Nigeria to Europe. The same man now come fuck him on. Come go marry Becky. So women they suffer for a brush. Oh, me and Pico Barrister. I greet you specially.
I greet you. You're under arrest by. Now you carry this marriage issue on Facebook where everybody they marry. Me, I want come marry now. Now me say tomorrow night if I come marry, you come to saga me oh.
If you marry that person, I'll saga you. Now you go marry now.
Now you break record of marriage on Facebook now.
You be my 002. I need to analyze this one.
We just social media. Then one money you carry marriage come on. Now everybody become a marriage now. Me I also go still marry. Carry marriage come. I tell one the next area boss say Umenwa don't marry. Everybody now they marry. We can marry goat. We can marry sheep. We can marry.
We can marry in person. So for the marriage, they there. Oh, we not go marry best uncle.
Congratulations. Now I'm not going to say, where love me for say congratulations. That will say, my people don't true marry. Now you bring this marriage issue on social media. I beg, sit there, then they say congratulations. What I want to do.
I don't say when I collect person husband.
Now you don't know who go marry.
But me not say I don't even know the collect person husband. But love me you see the fork. Me you see the fork. Your face not you know the fork. Love I know remember the fork, but your face not be like who the fork.
Hey, don't say my face be like person when they smoke it go.
I will man will be lovely. I will the man. Where you are make what?
My eye, now so my eye be. Area Umeji. If you see me, you think that smoke it go right from time. Even if that they come up on top of brick. No, you know the saga.
No, but baby, I know the saga. They analyze. That is saga now. If Becky has smashed up your one, it's analyzing.
No. This is no. What we get outside now. Now
People what? But don't slash him. Why slash him? Mais des vacances, va slash.
Mama Kenny don't slash you, not me. Mama Kenny slash you for my house. I don't know the saga Mama Kenny. You see, that's why they say love is love. You love is love you. You come on, go marry Mama Kenny. Mama Kenny say your papi me. No fear. Because with the fear now, tomorrow now, another person go marry again. You go put in the saga.
No, I'm not the saga ram. I the analyzer.
Becky, I'm married. Becky, really, you're talking. When I walk over, Becky,
Oh my God, it took a square. I'm not took a square. Yeah, I'm over.
Becky, come marry for now. The saga will like them. They can't marry that way. We saga the
A hand over, Yamuna, a hand over. Balasa carry. If I look for again now.
If the women say another woman carry, because that is jealousness. You don't see that when they saga you. I say whether the rest people when they saga you, whether they be your ex. You remember?
Yes.
Now so it go be. From Victor. When we saga, we saga. I will go saga you one day. Just all of them now, they are baby papa poor everywhere.
Hi.
No woman now.
Don't be small, not true you talk. That one journal.
Because I think that kind of map tomorrow now come. The baby mama we don't leave the map for 20 years. You go sharp come out.
But this Becky, they never leave each other. They date. They date now. They don't leave each other. They date now. They get the plan. Come marry. They get don't go do paper. How they want to marry. Now they ought to be the plan now.
You know what? Make I put small little DC for you. Know say this life, man know what he wants. You know, man for me, man know what he wants. The for relationship, no me say the guy like you. No people they take for husband after 20 years they go divorce.
Yes.
Like maybe the man now said, for example, say he don't see who he won't marry. Maybe the one way he think for how many years say it is slow. Now if he say woman not supposed to they wait for one man. Man supposed to wait for one man because sometimes men they frustrate women. Do you know how many women when men don't frustrate, men go you. I try to understand. Like that sister now, the something don't already happen, it don't happen.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all my amazing people. My people waiting on think about this very video about Umenwan and Becky. Please don't forget to drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you all. Stay blessed and see you all on our next video. Like and share.